Hey YouTube, now that the door is installed, I want to show you a little contraption that I bought. It's a Milwaukee door lock installer. Now I normally do it by hand, but I thought I might give this a crack and hopefully make it a little bit easier and take a little bit of the guesswork out and help you drill more straight and hopefully get a better finished product. So here it is. I paid about 60 bucks for it from Total Tools. So it's got adjustable depths for different latches, so you can adjust it up between the two different depths. You've got the 54mm hole at the front there and the 25mm hole on the front side. Now what I like about this one is as you turn it, it automatically centers for you. So basically you don't have to find the center. So as you put it on the door and you turn it and so adjust for the different door thickness that you've got, it'll automatically adjust and the center will always be in the center of the door, which I think it's just brilliant. So I'll show you how I do it, what normally anyway, and how I put this on and see what you think. So what I normally do when I change a door, this house by the way was a siege, and the cops basically kicked the door in and destroyed the frame. You probably see all the patches, and I've just primed it, and then I'm going to be patching it up after I install this door. So yeah, what I've done is mark the center of the latch, or the striker plate, sorry, and I've put that mark on the door. And then with the square, I've basically put a mark across there, so then I know where I need to drill. And this is a 40mm door, so I'll put my 20mm on my square, which is there, like that. And come from the side here, and you'll see where are we? There we are. So, not sure if you can see it through that little hole there. Right here, you should be able to see my pencil mark, which is there. So you line up on that. Sorry guys. Waiting for it to focus. So you can set a little line there and you line up on that triangle there, so you know you're spot on dead center. And then all you have to do is tighten this up, and you'll notice it's tightened now, and if you see that mark, we're on spot on dead center. So yeah, brilliant. So now all we have to do is drill a 54mm hole from there, and apparently, well, this is the first time I've used it, so apparently once you drill a hole, it's got a stopper inside there, a little plastic stopper in there, so it won't let you drill right through, but it will push the drill bit through the other side. So then all we have to do is go to the other side, and you've got your hole, and just drill straight through. And then you basically use the other bit, the 25mm bit. Yeah, so then you use that bit, the 25mm bit, and drill through there, and Bob's your uncle, done. Too good. Yeah, so seems like a pretty good little piece of kit, and I think it will help speed up the process, especially if you've got a lot of doors to do in one day. I think it's brilliant. So I'll give it a crack in a second, and I'll let you know how it goes. So far good, guys. Then you grab this one. You've got to separate that. Might have to get another arbor, I think, because it slows you down a little bit. Swapping and changing, and they get stuck when you drill them in, most. They're very hard to undo. So now we just line this one up. And try and drill straight, obviously. Line yourself up to the door. Check your height. And off you go. Take this off. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. Okay. So next what I do is I get the latch, which is right here. I push it through. I center it up. And what I normally do is I drill it off. Put it exactly where I want it and drill it off like that. Then I get a Stanley knife. I trace it with the Stanley knife. Then I take it out and you've got yourself a beautiful template to cut. And then I'll chisel it out. That's pretty much it, guys. Pretty straightforward. Once you know how to do it, pretty easy. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, as I'll be making a lot of these videos from now on and showing just tips and tricks that I've come across over the last 10 years.